So these are the Maxtrax that I managed to all but wreck on a recent trip to Fraser Island. And what I've done is I've spun on some sections of the track, and that's actually eaten the teeth away. So there's no more teeth, or the teeth are basically chewed up on the Maxtrax. So today we're going to give the tracks a little bit of a dentist visit. Right, now the first thing we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be cleaning up the tracks. So there's a bit of melted plastic. This stuff is just attached to, is still melted on pretty much onto the tracks. First thing we're going to do is clean all this crud off of the tracks themselves and get them ready for the repair. So let's do it. This job does take a bit of effort to do, you know, getting all these little burnt bits off, a little bit of effort. So, you know, if that's not your thing, then, you know, some people would just go out and buy a new set. The reason I'm doing it is because I don't like waste, and I'm weirdly sentimental about things. So when I've used a piece of recovery gear like this, or a piece of equipment, and I've kind of used it well, if you know what I mean, like I've used it for its intended purpose, and it's done that intended purpose right, then I like to look after it. So, you know, I know looking after it would be not wrecking it in the first place. With most of the melted plastic removed, I used some 60 grit sandpaper on an oscillating multi-tool to finish the surface and prepare it for the new teeth to be installed. So after that initial clean of the teeth, the track looks a lot better now, you can see. So what I'm going to be doing now is flipping the track over and drilling through from the back so that I have somewhere for the new teeth to go in. Right, so here we have the Maxtrax repair teeth from Kaon. I'm a massive Kaon fan. What you have is a little tooth that you can pop in the hole where you've messed up, or I have messed up my Maxtrax, and you can then tighten the small nut onto the back of it like so. So you tighten it up like that, and that then lives in the track. All right, and there you have it. Maxtrax repaired, new teeth on it, and ready to go back on the car and for our next trip. And hopefully I don't wreck them again and have to fix them on the road.